Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw Gojo with kind of a crazy laugh. So grab your pencil, paper, and let's start. First I'm going to do an M shape, but the M isn't going to be connected. So draw one side like that, and then another one right next to it. That's going to be for his nose. And then right below it, we'll do just a very gradual curved line. And right below that will be the top of his mouth. And it's going to actually be a frowny face, kind of like that. But then what you'll do is you'll just curve up each end, just like that. That way, it's kind of a frown, but with like kind of a crazy smile. And then go off of each edge and come down like this, all the way down, and curve over. Do that one more time. Curve all the way down and over. All right, and the right side, same thing. All right, now for the teeth, what we'll do is we're gonna start from the right corner and come down and curve over and do that once more. And then on the last one, just bring it all the way over like that and up. And then the same shapes on the other side. That way it kind of looks like the teeth are going back into his mouth. And then on the bottom, similar thing, but we'll start from the middle and we're gonna just curve down and up like that. It kind of creates these bumpy teeth. Now his tongue is just gonna be a very gradual M shape that connects those two. And you can do a line or a few lines right down there. We'll do a half circle in the very back there for the throat, and just a couple lines like that. So we really get a good look at his mouth. All right, let's move on to the eyes. So with his eyes, we're gonna do two curved lines, just like that. Really simple. And right underneath those, just do two circles. You can do ovals with a dot right in the middle. And then we'll go ahead and do the bottom of the eye. So it won't be a perfect oval. What we do is curve it in and then curve down and up on both sides. So kind of curve in and then curve up like that. And then right above the eye, just do a couple of lines like that with some eyebrows right above those lines. And eyebrows are usually slightly different in terms of connecting, but they're gonna just generally have a pointed end on each end with thicker towards the eye. I'm just gonna do a few little kind of spikes up above like that for his eyebrows. All right, great. Let's do his chin now. So let's go ahead and come down just to the left of the mouth and we'll curve just like that. That almost follows. And on the right side, same thing, kind of follows the shape. What we'll do is we'll turn in, come down on both sides, turn in, down, and then we have the outside of his face. All right, now let's go ahead and do his bottom lip, just like that, maybe a couple of lines there. And let's go ahead and fill in his hair. So his hair is pretty easy. They're gonna be these same shapes the whole time. So we'll go right up here in kind of the center of the page. We'll come down like that and up. They're all gonna be these curved points. And if you'll notice, I'm just overlapping them. So I'm gonna overlap right over the top of the eye and just kind of find a rhythm that works for you. This is kind of what works for me. So, and I'm gonna just connect everything together. You can do some on the inside, but I'm gonna come all the way over like that and then go to the other side. So we'll go down. Some of them can go over the eye, some of them you might not want to. That's kind of the idea of hair. It can just be all over the place, especially with anime. And usually the more it's consistent, but also the more it kind of goes wherever, the better it'll look. I'm gonna go ahead and do the ears real quick. The ears are just gonna curve up, down, and over, like most anime ears, with some lines right on the inside. Ears are pretty simple once you get them down. Just take a little practice like anything else. All right, let's go ahead and finish up his hair now that we got those ears in there. So I'll do a few strands that come out from the ear. And since I'm over here on the right, I'll just keep going. So I'm gonna keep doing these same shapes. I'm gonna overlap them. And I'm gonna bring it all the way around his head. Just like that. Nothing to it. Just up, over. Once I get here kind of to the center, I'm gonna switch directions. So one more like that, and then what I'll do is I'll just switch directions and start curving the other way. So see, no big change in shape or anything like that. I'm just gonna start overlapping the other way. And I think I like him. He's starting to kind of turn out a little bit, how I'm thinking. Connect that one right there. Maybe I'll do one back behind here. And let's go ahead and just add in a couple of lines, maybe a couple of strands in the middle. Whatever you like. I'm gonna leave it just like that. And let's just finish him up by adding some lines for his neck. So let's come right off the sides of his face. And kind of running out of room. But I think we're about done today with him. So thank you for joining me. I hope you've had a good time. I hope this has been helpful. If at any point I go a little bit too quick, just pause the video and catch up and keep on going. So I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already, so you can check out some of my other videos. And until then, keep on drawing, keep practicing, and I will see you next time.